Hi guys, welcome back. Today we discuss about Azure Security Center, and it is also called as Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Azure Security Center, now called Microsoft Defender for Cloud, is a cloud security posture management (CSPM) and cloud workload protection (CWP) service that help you prevent, detect, and respond to security threats across Azure hybrid and multi-cloud environments. So, what Azure Security Center uh, does assess security posture, continuously evaluates your Azure resources, identifies misconfigurations and security gaps, provides a secure score to manage the security strength. So it provides a secure score, and based on that, we have to just check and work. Any misconfigurations are there, security gaps are there, so that we need to verify. So continuously it evaluates your Azure resources. And threat protection detects real-time threats using analytics and threat intelligence, protects virtual machines, containers, Azure Kubernetes services, databases, storage accounts, app services, security hardening, recommends best practices, recommends best practices, helps enforce MFA, multi-factor authentication, disk encryption, network security rules, OS patching. Key components: secure score, percentage based security rating. High score is equal to better security posture, improves by fixing recommendations. Example, enable MFA for all users is equal to secure score increases. Security recommendations, actionable guidance to reduce risks. Categories: identity and access, networking, compute, data protection. Example, energy allows inbound RDP from internet, high severity. So Microsoft Defender plans paid workloads specific protections. Defender plan protects which protects Defender for servers. It protects VMs, Windows or Linux. Defender for container, AKS containers, AKS Azure Kubernetes Services, container registries. Defender for SQL on Azure and VMs. Defender for storage, blob storage, file storage. Defender for app services, web applications. Defender for key vault, secrets and keys. Architecture, Azure subscription. Under Azure subscription, we get Microsoft Defender for cloud. So it gives the secure score, security recommendations, threat alerts. Azure Monitor and logs. It integrates with Azure Monitor and Azure Log Analytics. So Microsoft, we integrated with Microsoft Sentinel. It is optional. It also continuously monitor the alerts and logins alerts, everything. It gives the information to Azure Security, and Azure Security will display us, and according that it provides a secure score, and according that we can work on. Azure Security Center versus Azure Microsoft Sentinel. Defender for cloud is equal to prevention and protection. Sentinel is equal to detection and response. So both there is a slight difference. Defender for cloud, prevention and protection. So it prevents proactively, it prevents and protect the environment. Sentinel, any threats are there, detects and responds according that it responds. So features: primary role, protection and posture. Defender for cloud, protection and posture. Microsoft Sentinel, SIEM and SOAR. Threat detection, Defender for cloud, it is there, yes, and Microsoft Sentinel, it is advanced. So advanced threat protection will be there. Log correlation, basic, it gives the basic thing for log correlation. And Microsoft Sentinel, it gives the advanced feature. Automation, Defender for Cloud, it is limited, and Microsoft Sentinel, it is extensive. Compliance reporting, Defender for Cloud, it is there. Microsoft Sentinel also, it is there. Compliance and regulatory support. Built-in standards, ISO 27001, SOC2, PCI DSS, NIST, CAS benchmarks. So these are compliance standard for the it varies country to country. So and also some standards will be there. So we have to follow these certificates. And so as per this, we have to just data should be uh, deployed and it should be transferred. You can you can track compliance status, download audit reports. Common use cases: secure Azure VMs, protect AKS clusters, detect suspicious login attempts, enforce security best practices, meet compliance requirements, centralized security monitoring. Pricing. Pricing, there are two tiers are there. Pricing, pre-tier, secure score, basic recommendations, paid defender plans. For resource pricing, VM, node, DB, etc. Build monthly. Best practices, enable defender plans for critical workloads, fix high severity recommendations first, integrate with Microsoft Sentinel, use Azure policy for auto remediation, review secure score regularly. So we have to review security score regularly, and according that we have to work on. So yeah, Azure policy also auto remediation, Azure policy we can create and auto remediate. Integrate with Microsoft Sentinel. So Microsoft Sentinel is SIEM. So it will if you integrate, it will works advanced level. Advanced it works advancedly, and so it detects and uh, prevent very effectively. Fix ICVRT recommendations first. Any ICVRT recommendations that need to be fixed first. Enable defender plans for critical workloads. So critical workloads, we have to enable the defender plans. Exam tips. Azure Security Center is now Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So Azure Security, earlier we call it as Azure Security Center. Now it is renamed as Microsoft Defender for Cloud. It focuses on secure score, defender plans, recommendations, threat alerts. So these are all things we have to remember when facing interview. Thank you.